Cereal.
Gentle. Where's your baby? Henry, where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Oh, gentle. He's got ears too.
Totally just like exploring. Yeah.
So funny. Oh. Hey.
Boom, boom, boom. Bada boom. Be careful, honey.
Oh, is he tickling you? Is he tickling you? Are they holding
They're
hands?
holding hands.
So cute. No. No, no, no. Hey, Henry. No, no, no. No, no, no.
They both like that? No, no.
No, no, no. There we go. No. You do bonk. Bonk. Oh, not on him. Bonk. Look at, they're so cute. Oh. Up, up. Up. No. Gentle. Mwah.
Oh.
Gonna go get Auntie D.
I want Auntie D. I want Auntie D. He's like, wait, what do you do?
Come on, Arthur, crawl on over. Let's do it. Come on.
Auntie?
Where's my auntie? Come get me. You can do it. You can crawl. Come on, Bubba. Come on, you can do it. Look at this. Holy smokes. You can do it. Yeah, look at you. Big boy.
This one? Is this mine?
Yeah, you choose which
Oh, now you're just going to have to get tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.